अमेरिका के पानी सदर हैं। उनकी 6 शायरी और अदबी किताबें शाया हो चुकी हैं, जिनमें से 2 किताबें फातिमा जिन्ना वुमेन यूनिवर्सिटी मास्टर ऑफ फिलॉसफी के कोर्स में शामिल की जा चुकी हैं। इरफान भाई के मुसव्वरी के फनकारों को पाकिस्तान और अमेरिका के अहम इदारों और अजायब घरों में पजीराई हासिल हुई है। इरफान मुर्तज़ा अपनी शायरी, मुसव्वरी और समाजी खिदमत के ज़रिए पाकिस्तान के अदब, फ़न और सकाफ़त पॉजिटिव इमेज उजागर करने में मुसलसल अपना किरदार अदा कर रहे हैं। अब मैं दावत देती हूँ जनाब इरफान मुर्तज़ा साहब को कि तशरीफ़ लाएँ और यौम आज़ादी की मुनासबत से अपने ख़यालात का इज़हार फरमाएँ। आप सबकी भरपूर तालियों में इरफान मुर्तज़ा।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इंतखाब जी की तकरीर ने एक समा बांध दिया और फ़ायदा ये हुआ कि लोग खामोश हो गए, वरना तो नमाज में भी खामोश नहीं थे। तो youngsters in the back, I would like to talk to you right now, so pay attention please, and youngster in the front too. मुझे कहा गया कि तकरीर मुझे अंग्रेजी में करनी, बहुत मुश्किल हुई। 6 महीने से प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन भाई 6 महीने पहले मैं इसी तरह बोलता ना, मेरा आई एम इरफान मुर्तज़ा। Today I feel honored to talk about Tehreek-e-Pakistan, the movement of Pakistan. Pakistan was not created on one day. It was not given to us as on a platter as a gift or as a present. Hey, go take it. It was achieved with, sacrifice. We're talking about courage, struggle, and determination. Before 1947, the Muslims of subcontinent lived under British rule. They wanted a homeland of their own, where they could live with freedom, dignity, and protect their religion, protect their culture, and raise their children and their future in a better environment. Allama Muhammad Iqbal gave Muslims hope and direction and a dream, while Qaeda-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah turned that dream into reality and a great, powerful moment. He remained firm during difficult times and taught the nation the importance of unity, faith, and discipline. But the Pakistan movement was not the struggle of one leader alone. It was a struggle of millions of ordinary people. Students spread the message of Pakistan. Women organized meetings, raised funds. They gave own jewelry for donations so this movement can go on. Writers, poets, teachers, journalists, workers, farmers, and professionals, they all played their role in this movement. They believed the future generations deserve freedom. The historic Lahore Resolution of March 23rd, 1940 gave the movement a clear direction. Despite of opposition, fear, political pressure, and the struggle, it was continued. Finally, on August 14th, 1947, Pakistan appeared on the map of the world. It was a day of great happiness, but also a time of great pain. Why? During partition, millions of people left their homes, their land, their farms, their memories behind. Families were separated. The refugee trains and caravans were attacked, and countless of people lost their lives. Many arrived in Pakistan hungry, wounded, and homeless. But they carried something very important in their hearts, and that was hope for Pakistan. The new country had very limited sources. They were short of schools, hospitals, offices, housings, basic supplies. Still, people didn't give up. Teachers opened schools, doctors treated patients with care, kindness. Families shared food and shelters with refugees. Volunteers worked day and night. They were not, listen to this, they were not simply living in Pakistan. They were building Pakistan. Freedom is not only a flag. Freedom is not only a parade. Freedom is not only a celebrating national holiday. Freedom is responsibility. And the people in 1947 sacrificed so much for it. Today, we must ask ourselves, what can we do for Pakistan? We can serve Pakistan through education, honesty, hard work, good character, and respect for others. Pakistan belongs to all of us. We may come from different provinces, different cultures, different traditions, speaking different languages. But first, we are all Pakistanis. Our differences should make us stronger, not divide us. And now I especially want to speak to our youth, young people. You are the future of Pakistan. Instead of always asking, what has Pakistan given me? Yes. Ask yourself, what can I give to Pakistan? Give Pakistan your knowledge, your talent, your energy, your honesty, your hard work, and hope. Living here in the United States, we may live thousands of miles away from Pakistan, but Pakistan still lives in our hearts. We study here, work here, raise our families here, and contribute to American society. But wherever we live, we also represent Pakistan. When a Pakistani student succeeds, a doctor serves with kindness, a business person acts honestly, or a family helps its neighbors, people see a positive image of Pakistan. It was a great shame for me to see that during American anthem today, this evening, I saw a few people sitting on the chair. That was not right. No, I don't have lower back pain. So respect the place where you live. Respect where you're making living. The way you respect Pakistan, respect the same country that you're living in. Our young people should learn about Pakistan history, culture, art, literature, languages, traditions. Be proud of your heritage while practicing others and respecting others. Do not let Pakistan be known only through negative news. Tell people about our ancient civilization, beautiful mountains, rich culture, hospitality, and poetry, and the achievement of Pakistan throughout the world. Use social media responsibility. Do not spread false information or hatred. If someone misunderstands Pakistan, respond with facts, patience, and respect. A calm and educated response is more powerful than an angry argument. Pakistanis living abroad can also help by supporting educations, charities, hospitals, Pakistani businesses, writers, artists, which is me too, and by sharing their professional knowledge with your young people in Pakistan. Parents should teach their children about Pakistan, the sacrifice of 1947, and their culture, heritage. Being a responsible American citizen does not make you less Pakistani. Again, being a responsible American citizen does not make us less Pakistani, and loving Pakistan does not prevent us from respecting America. A young Pakistani American who understands both countries can become a bridge of friendship between Pakistan and the United States. At the same time, we must respect and serve America, the country where we live. We should obey laws, help our communities, and be responsible citizens. Loving Pakistan and respecting America can go together. The true patriotism is not only waving a flag, singing national anthem, or saying Pakistan Zindabad. True patriotism is shown through our actions. When there is ignorance, spread education. When there is corruption, choose honesty. When there's hatred, choose respect. And when there's hopelessness, give hope. Let us never forget for those who sacrificed everything for Pakistan. Let us honor them, not only with our words, just like we are speaking here. That is not enough. We have to prove it by our actions. Whether we live in Pakistan or thousands of miles away in America, let us carry Pakistan in our hearts and represent it with dignity. Let us protect its good name. Let us support its people. Let us strengthen the future. And together, let us work for peaceful, educated, prosperous, and respected Pakistan. Pakistan, Zindabad. Thank you.